YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's take a look and see what they sent us. And if you guys want to place an order, all you gotta do is click my Amazon affiliate link and check them out. Also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. So we shall see what it is in a second. So all you gotta do is click that link and then add it to your cart. Bada boom, bada bing. Coming from ArrowMax Ultimate Professional Products. Ooh, ArrowMax-RC.com also, or Amazon. You got a choice. I'll leave both links down below so you can see if they got some certain days like Cyber Monday, Black Friday coming up. You might want to click back and forth through Amazon or their website to see the deals they got going on. But this is going to be one of them that's going to be going fast. These things are nice to have. These, I think, kind of like a smart screwdriver, power driver, screwdriver, power tool. So, there we go. Pretty cool design. Now, take a look. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, man. They got it nice and snugged. Here we go. MT. ArrowMax. We got the manual. SES electric screwdriver. Oh wow. 24-hour assistance. Get a storage box. Kind of looks like aluminum. OLED. Type C charging. The SES is equipped with OLED digital dynamic display, the 4 LED lights. Alright, so we got one of these. Just gotta take this off the plastic. I'm going to try to find something to screw and then give it a test run. Here we go. I'm going to slide it right out. Whoa. Now this is pretty handy dandy. If I could get this one in there. Whoa. Strong magnetic. Now these are all different types of screws, drivers. ArrowMax everywhere. It shows what kind they are. They got the Star Brights. I only know like the Phillips and the normal. I'm not sure what every single one is called. I'm sure there's different names for them. Ooh, injury timeout. Clear case right here. Pretty solid. It's pretty lightweight. You can fit it out of the pocket. But, start PC builds, whatnot. A lot of people use these for that. Fixing consoles, video game consoles, maybe cell phones. I like the color. I think these light up. These for OLED. Or this is an OLED screen. Yeah. Whoa. Definitely the screwdriver game stepped it up. So there's USB, charge it. Let's put one of these in. Should be easy. Bada boom. Now this is left, right. Whoa. Yeah, this would be perfect for it. You can see the... Well, I could show it moving like that. It goes that way too. It's quiet. Look at that light. Let me see if this will help. I might have to shut them all off. But you can see it right there. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Here we go. That's a lot better. It's like a mini flashlight built in. I'm gonna find something I could screw. Maybe one of these old school thingies. Can't even. Man, look at this old thing. Micro cassette recorder. That won't do it. Usually have something on standby, but all right, found something. But see how those holes are kind of hard to see? Not no more. Whoa. Look at that. That was like 2 seconds. Got it right here. Right there. And put it back in. Now, this is crazy. Oops. Oh, it is magnetic too. Whoa. Uh-oh. And then lost the screws. Oh, there's another side of these. 14s and up. Let me turn the light. And there we go. They got different T5H, T4, Y25, all the way down. This is nice. Now if I could, oh, there's a screw. If I can pick it up. There we go. There we go. Look at that. It works. So definitely check these guys out. ArrowMax. It's pretty smart. Easy to take out. Let's put it back in. It goes right here. This would be a nice little stocking stuffer, you know. Star Bright's right there. This is nice. I got the flatheads. So, alright, YouTubers, that's it. Short video. You guys have a good night. Like I said, easy to put together. So this would be good for anybody. There we go. Pop it in. Bam. Protected, sealed. ArrowMax. Excellent job. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Like I said, I'll leave the my Amazon affiliate link down below. And also, I'll leave their website. So like I said, just check back between Cyber Monday, Black Friday deals. And definitely place your order today. But they got a sale right now on Amazon. So definitely click that link for the Amazon purchases and order now. Take it easy. Be safe.